Hi guys. So you are ready to start an online store. Maybe you have got a great product idea or you are finally taking that side hustle to the next level. Either way, the platform you choose is going to make or break your experiences. That's why we are talking about Shopify, BigCommerce and Wix, three of the biggest name in the e-commerce world. If you are ever googled how to start an online store, you have probably come across Shopify. There are reason for that. It's hand down the most popular e-commerce platform, and for good reason. Shopify designed for people who want to get their store up and running without any tech headaches. You do not need to know how to code, and everything is set up in a way that just makes sense. The dashboard is intuitive, and the a setup process walk you through everything step by step. If you can handle Netflix, you can handle Shopify. One of the Shopify biggest strength is its built-in e-commerce tool. You get everything from abandoned cart recovery, which help bring back shoppers who did not complete their purchase, to multi-channel selling, so you can sell on Instagram, Facebook, and even Amazon. The Shopify has store is another huge plus. Need a countdown timer, a subscription service, or print on demand integration. There an app for that. Just keep in mind that some of the best app come with an extra cost. Shopify pricing start at $39 per month, which including a solid set of feature. However, if you do not use Shopify payment, you will have to pay extra transaction fee starting at 2% per sale, which can add up quickly if you are processing a lot of order. Shopify can also grow with your businesses, whatever you are just starting out or hitting six figure sale. Shopify higher tier plan and Shopify Plus for big businesses make sure that you will not outgrow the platform. If you are serious about growth and hate the idea of extra transaction fee, big commerce might be your best bet. It's a little more advanced than Shopify, but it comes with powerful built-in feature that can save you money. Big commerce has a bit of learning curve compared to Shopify. While it is still user-friendly, it throws a lot more option at you, which can feel a little overwhelming. If you are a beginner, that say, if you are willing to spend some time getting familiar with it, the extra feature are worth it. Big commerce shine in two areas: no transaction fees and advanced e-commerce tool, including at no extra cost. Unlike Shopify, you do not need to install a bunch of third-party app to get things like custom product filter, advanced SEO tool, and bulk pricing discounting. Another cool feature is headless commerce. This lets you see big commerce powerful backend with a different from front end website builder, which is great if you want to customize your store even further. Big commerce pricing start at $29 per month, which is not much less than Shopify, and you get no extra transaction fee. No matter which payment processor you use over time, this can save you money as well. Businesses that want to scale quickly, store owner who want built-in feature without relying on paid app, and people who want to avoid transaction fees will find big commerce a great option. Furthermore, a design flexibility, ease of use are your top priorities. Wix might be the best option. It's not as feature rich as Shopify or big commerce, but for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs, it gets the job done beautifully. Wix is a great uh, drag drag and drop website builder, which means you can literally click, drag, and move things exactly where you want them. It's perfect for people who want creative control over their store design but do not know how to code. While Wix is not an e-commerce powerhouse like Shopify or BigCommerce, it does offer solid feature for small online store. You get basic inventory management, mobile optimization, and built-in SEO tool. However, things like multi-channel selling and advanced automation tool are more limited compared to the competition. Wix e-commerce plans start at $27 per month, making it the cheapest option on the list. However, if you need more advanced e-commerce tool, you might find yourself outgrowing Wix quickly. Wix is perfect for small businesses but not ideal for large scale store. If you are expecting a high volume of sales, Shopify or BigCommerce will be a better long-term solution. So, which one should you choose? Plainly, if you want the best overall e-commerce experiences with an easy-to-use interface and strong features, Shopify is the safest bet. BigCommerce is great for growth without extra fees, while Wix is ideal for smaller shop. The prioritize design and simplicity. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.